Hey, 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 beautiful people. I couldn't let this day go by without paying homage to my sister Cheryl Anise Bethea. Today is her birthday, 3/22. She would have been 55 years old. And I just wanted to say happy birthday and that we are always thinking of you, Cheryl, on this day and any day. But I didn't want to let this day go by without wishing you a happy birthday. We love you. We have come a long way on this journey. We are healed and we are helping others heal and helping others to see the value in them. And so I just want to say thank you for um, the growth that you have through your situation and through everything what our family had to endure. You have really been a great impact on us, even in the tragedy. And I just want to say, girl, keep doing your thing in the spiritual realm. You are loved, you are missed, and we want to thank you for guiding and leading us on this journey. You are walking with us daily, monthly, yearly, weekly, just constantly walking with us, protecting us, guiding us, leading us. I always say, you are my spiritual team leader. So thank you for being my guiding angel. You are many things. You are an ancestor now, but I have no doubt that you are always guiding and leading me, as well as your children and anybody that you love. Um, and I just want to show my gratitude to you and how you have um, really led the way in many of the situations that we have had to encounter. Also, I want to say you are missed and loved by many, and everywhere I go, someone always knows your name. Someone always knows your name, and um, they call me Cheryl sometimes. And I know that when they mistakenly call me Cheryl, I know that you are in the room. I know that your presence is all around me, and I just thank you for pulling me out my comfort zone. Cause girl, I be like, Cheryl, what are you up to now? What are you doing? Cause girl, you've been. I'm not gonna say wilding out, but yeah, you've been wilding out. But anyway, I love you, and you have shown up been the baby big sister. The baby big sister. So, but I miss you, and um I was telling Jasmine the other day, like, how much I miss you. You kept me in the know. You were the people person and big, huge, vibrant personality. Um, and I was telling her, look, I don't know nothing now because you kept me in the loop. But anyway, um, I miss you. We were supposed to grow gracefully together in our, I don't like to say old age. But y'all know what I mean. But anyway, I I know that you're with me spiritually, so what else can I ask for? Because you have shown up and shown out constantly. Sometimes I'm like, behave, Cheryl. Behave yourself. But anyway, you are loved, you are missed, and keep showing up. Keep showing up like you've been showing up. All right. Keep sending me those winks and synchronicities. All right. I love you and happy 55 birthday, girl. You getting old. You getting old. All right. Y'all have a good night. Okay. Talk to y'all later.